Hey there! Today we're diving into the world of the DJI Neo drone. This innovative device has been making waves in the drone market, and we can't wait to share our thoughts with you. The DJI Neo boasts a sleek and modern look, complemented by a foldable design that makes it super easy to transport. Its lightweight build ensures you can take it on all your adventures without any hassle. Unboxing. In today's video, we'll dive into an unboxing video from the Italian YouTube channel Free FPE Films. This video offers an up-close look at the DJI Neo, a new and exciting drone straight out of the box. The unboxing gives viewers a first-hand experience of what it's like to unpack this drone, showcasing its sleek packaging and the accessories included. The video highlights how the DJI Neo is presented, from the neatly arranged components to the protective materials used to ensure everything arrives in perfect condition. You'll get a sense of the drone's size, design, and build quality right from the start. This unboxing is not just about what's inside the box. It's a glimpse into the premium experience DJI aims to deliver. Whether you're considering purchasing the DJI Neo or are simply curious, this video provides a valuable preview of what to expect when you finally get your hands on this cutting-edge drone. Features. Now let's talk about the features that make the DJI Neo stand out. This drone is equipped with a 4K camera, allowing you to capture stunning high-resolution footage. It also comes with intelligent flight modes that make flying easier and more enjoyable, whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot. The long battery life ensures you have plenty of time to capture all the footage you need, and the top-notch obstacle avoidance system helps keep your drone safe during flights. Performance. One of the most impressive aspects of the DJI Neo is its flight range. With the ability to fly up to 4.3 miles, 7 kilometers, you can explore new heights and capture breathtaking views from a distance. Additionally, the DJI Neo offers a fantastic flying time of up to 31 minutes, so you don't have to worry about running out of battery mid-flight. The DJI Neo is engineered to cater to both novice and experienced pilots, offering a perfect blend of simplicity and sophistication. For beginners, the user-friendly interface ensures an easy, intuitive flight experience, making it accessible even for those new to drones. The controls are straightforward and the learning curve is minimal, allowing users to quickly get comfortable with the drone's operation. On the other hand, the DJI Neo doesn't compromise on advanced features, making it appealing to seasoned pilots as well. It boasts high-performance capabilities, including a stable and smooth flight experience, thanks to its advanced stabilization systems. This stability is crucial for capturing breathtaking aerial shots, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional photographer. The drone's responsiveness and precision in handling make it a reliable choice for various flight conditions, ensuring that every flight is enjoyable and successful. Whether you're flying for fun or creating stunning visuals, the DJI Neo is built to deliver top-tier performance, meeting the needs of a wide range of users. Overall, the DJI Neo is a fantastic drone that offers a great balance of features, performance, and ease of use. It's perfect for anyone in the market for a new drone, whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your current setup. With its impressive flight range, long battery life, and high-quality camera, the DJI Neo is sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Until next time, happy flying. Overall, the DJI Neo is a fantastic drone that offers a great balance of features, performance, and ease of use. It's perfect for anyone in the market for a new drone, whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your current setup. With its impressive flight range, long battery life, and high-quality camera, the DJI Neo is sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Until next time, happy flying.